have a couple of things that just need to get done, and today is gonna be that day. First things first, I need to swap out the mower blades. I use a John Deere L111, and to swap out the blades, I like to just drop the deck. It's just easier for me, and I can inspect everything too. These clamps to stop the blade from actually twisting in there. But since I've got the blades off, I am going to go ahead and scrape out all the rest of this junk out of the bottom of the deck before I put the new blades back in. Please make sure that you do a fall and a spring inspection. That's unacceptable, and I should have done it before several times throughout the season. Do make sure to check the tire pressures before the deck goes back on. That way I know it's level. Now my cotter pin broke while I was taking this off of here, as you can see, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a hitch pin on the way back. Just put that hitch pin in right there. Perfect. So in addition to that project, I need to change the head on my string trimmer. I found a while back this. It's a push and load 3-blade system. And I tell you what, I had it on my old string trimmer when I was still using gas for this stuff, and I absolutely loved it. I switched over to this DeWALT system, and as you could probably guess, DeWALT doesn't have a universal head. But if you reverse thread the main post, you can go ahead and add a universal head to it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm just going to use the 2-wheel part here. Go ahead and make sure that you get this taken off. Lock goes left, unlock goes right. You want to go ahead and get this nut taken off. And then there's a spring right there. And then these pieces here just slide right out. Those just slide right off of there. And then this housing just comes right off of there, just like so. All right, so this is the problem. This post here is the issue. This makes the new head not fit on there. So you can see this little notch right here. We're gonna go ahead and just put, I'm just gonna use an awl. You can use an awl or a screwdriver, a flat body screwdriver. Use this hole right here to line that up, and then this is actually reverse threaded. Just go ahead and put that there, and right turn. There you go. Voila. So now in order to get this to go back on, you just drop this nut right down in that hole. Don't know if you can see very well right there. You can use a screwdriver if you want, but then you just put it in there, get it lined up in this hole down here on the side, and lefty tighty. That's all there is to it. Thank you very much for hanging out with me today. I needed to get a couple things done so we could get back out in the lawn. 73,000 square feet of lawn space that is all new to me, so I'm trying to figure out how to make it awesome. Stay tuned. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to follow along, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Have a good one.